Good day, dear learners! Padayon ta sa ato ang lesson may tungod sa extreme weather conditions. So, again, before we start, please open your workbooks and prepare your pen or pencils. So, baliko na to ang ato mga objectives for this week. Number one, we have describe poor and extreme weather conditions. Number two, discuss the importance and practice of safety precautions. And number three, make personalized guidelines during extreme weather. Okay, so let's start this day with a video on severe weather. I will leave a link for the video like yesterday, so please stop this video and watch that video first and then come back. After watching the video, we will answer some questions on your workbook. So the video is under Next Generation Science channel, and it is titled Severe Weather. So this will explain or expound more on what is the severe weather. Okay, so after you watch the video, come back here and then we will answer the guide questions on your workbook. Okay, so on your workbook, we have some guide questions. Number one, what extreme weather events do we experience in the Philippines? So, unsa man nga extreme weather ang gakahitabo dinhi sa Pilipinas or ato ang gaka-experience. So, write your answers on the space provided and make sure malista ninyo tanan nga inyuhang mahuna-hunaan nga gaka-experience nato dinhi sa Pilipinas. Okay, and number two, what does the Philippines do to prepare for these extreme weather conditions? So, unsa man ang ginabuhat sa Pilipinas, whether atong government, atong LGU, or sa mga tao para makapangandam ani na mga weather conditions. So, naaman gyud tay extreme weather conditions din sa Pilipinas, especially since we are in the ring of fire and pirmita ka bagyuhan. So unsa man nato ang what do we do to prepare ourselves or para makapangandam ta inig moabot na ni nga mga extreme weather conditions. So I want you to write all the things that you can remember or unsa ang ginabuhat sa ato ang mga pamilya, sa ato ang barangay o sa government para mas safe or para delikado kaayo para sa ato nga when it comes to these extreme weather conditions. So write your answers on the space provided. So naani sa inyong workbook ha, please answer your workbooks. So after you answer the questions, let's proceed to the think about it moment. So in the think about it moment, there is a table, and then please complete the table, choose one extreme weather condition, research it, and complete the tables or the table. So after you do that, that is the end of our day 3. So the videos are all done for this week. So for tomorrow and Friday, please make sure to finish the activities on your workbook. Tan-awon ninyo, you will be asked to research the general safety precautions, meaning unsa ang dapat buhaton before sa extreme weather before nga moabot ang extreme weather sa ato. Then also consider those for extreme weather. Okay, so that is all, dear learners. I hope na makompleto ninyo ang inyong workbook and you will be passing this workbook on Monday. Thank you.